Hey everyone, welcome back to CFD Simplified. Today I'm going to show you how to install the most powerful and flexible extension of OpenFOAM, swak4Foam. Okay, so let's start uh, by installing swak4Foam. So let me give you a brief review about what is swak4Foam. swak4Foam basically stands for Swiss Army Knife for OpenFOAM. It allows us to write mathematical expressions directly in dictionaries without needing to code or compile solvers. Okay, so we swak4Foam is basically a very helpful tool. Okay, in with the help of which we don't have to make a major changes in the solvers or in the boundary conditions. They are uh, they are already made, and if we can apply them we can just reduce the time of making the changes. This specifically is very useful when you are making a new case, a very new case which is not you know made previously in the open form, yeah, like which is not previously available in the tutorials. Okay, so specifically if I talk about set form, you will find that some like stack for form basically is being used there because those are new case. Okay, there is nothing done beyond previously in the open form. Nothing is present in the tutorial. Okay, because set form is a new solver. Okay, so that's why. All right, so this is a brief introduction about Stackford form. Okay, so let's start like we can start how we can install Stack4Foam. Okay, basically. So first what you have to do, you have to go on. Okay, I have already opened it, but I'll tell you how to open it again. Okay, so you have to type swak4Foam, press enter. You will find this first link, contribution. Basically it means a contrib slash swak4Foam. Open it, and yeah, here you will get all the things. If you wanted to read more about it, you can read it. Okay, so I'm not, I'm leaving it to you. Okay, like about the explanation part, I don't want to go in that one in this video. Let's jump into the installation part. Okay, so first what you have to do, you have to just copy this command. Okay, copy this one and then paste in your terminal, press enter. Okay, so it will try to clone. Okay, it will take some time. Follow these steps which I am telling because it is made for the previous versions of the open form. Okay, so uh, if you do not follow, if you skip, it will not able to install properly, or it will not install in your Linux system. Okay, so and you will not able to use it. So there is one thing which you have to perform. Okay, uh, because if you don't perform that, it will give you error. All right, so that is the part. That's why I'm telling you, please do not skip this installation part specifically. All right, so it will take some time. Dating, yeah, done. Okay, now don't directly go to this cd swak4Foam. After this you have to perform this step. Okay, they have written newer OpenFOAM versions might not be supported by the released version, try this. So basically they have not written it more clearly. Okay, it is not more, not, the explanation is not good. Okay, they must have written it very clearly that you have to try this step after this one. Okay, because what happens is like people just go try to make it, then they try to apply this, and it just still gives error. So what I found, the solution which I found is like, After this clone one, you have to go for this update develop. Okay, so control C and then paste it down. Okay, paste it, press enter. What it is telling. Yes, okay, yeah. One more step. You have to go inside swak4Foam and then you have to give this HG update develop. Okay, yeah, this is the one. What I was doing previously, that I was putting this update develop outside this swak4Foam directory. Okay, when you will run this command, this one, the clone command, it will download the directory named this swak4Foam directory, which will be there on your home directory. You can see that it has made one swak4Foam directory. You have to go inside this swak4Foam and then you have to paste this hd update develop and run it. Okay, so we have already done that, so files has been updated. Now we can just run this command. Allwmake all. Right, press enter. It will download some things. Okay, and I will tell you from which step, because it takes time to install. So till now it will run if it is, if you have not updated, like if you have not run hd update develop, up till this it will run. Okay, I'll tell you the moment, like where you can just sit and relax and do your other works, that okay, the installation is now running right. So it will take some time. Okay, we'll wait. I'm not pausing the video because it is important, because here people get stuck and they do not got any solution online. So I'm here to give the solution of the errors which I have tackled, and I don't want those errors which I have seen that other peoples have also tackled. Okay, so this is the part. All right. Okay, it's going fine. Hmm. Hmm. All right, it's running fine. Okay. Okay. The main specifically what I have used is like the groovy boundary condition which swak4Foam gives. It's really useful. Okay. funkySetFields is like two things are there basically: groovy boundary condition and funkySetFields. funkySetFields is like if you are linking something, okay, then funkySetFields is like okay, but groovy boundary condition is really useful. What I found is like I've not done any case on based on where this groovy and funkySetFields have been used, but recently one of the subscribers is having issues in their project, so I helped them. So they were using this specifically 3D scour problem. So these problems have been, so they are groovy boundary condition funky set fields were there. So I sit and just try to run those things and try to resolve that one. Then I find it's like, okay, it is pretty useful. Okay, it is pretty useful. So yeah, it is. Till now we have not reached up to that part. Okay, because it is checking everything. Okay, that whether it is running fine or not, it will check, and the installation of this will take time. Okay, around you can say that 1 hour, 1.5 hour it will take to install. Okay, so yeah, I mean, you can skip the video up till you want to skip, because but I'm not pausing, because the thing is that I wanted to show you live up till that step, that okay, now you can relax and it will keep on installing. Okay, so that is the part. Okay. When these type of code runs, it feels like you have become hacker or something. My friends used to call me hacker, because I used to do every time these type of codings. I've seen these type of codings people doing in the movies only, but now when I started doing it, yeah, I now it has reached that now, that is, it is running fine. It will complete, it will install, error will not come here. Okay, so this is the part. Now you can just sit and relax and do whatever you want. Like, okay, you have to grab some coffee, go to watch a movie, or any other work you have to do on your laptop or computer or workstation. Just you can do it. It's nothing, no error will come. Okay, yes. So I'm pausing the video here. Okay, and we'll continue after the installation will complete. If you face any problem, just mail me up. I'll just on cfdsimplified@gmail.com. I'll just help you out. Okay, as soon as I get my time. All right. Okay. Okay. So here now you can check that the installation is completed, and to check whether it is installed properly or not, run this command. Okay, run this command and open another tab. Here I will write which funky set fields. Okay, so here I will give you the path. Okay, that where the funky set fields has been installed. All right, so this means that swak4Foam is completely installed in your laptop. Okay, laptop or computer or workstation, so whatever you say. All right, so let's end up here. Okay, my only aim in this video to show you how to install swak4Foam, and if people get stuck, they get some error. So I told about that also, that which command you have to give to not stuck in the installation process. Okay, so that has also been told in the video. We'll meet in the next one. Let me know in the comments if you'd like a tutorial on how to use groovy boundary condition in a real case. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the channel. More CFD power coming your way.